Problem number 12 on page 399 is on analysis of linear graphs. What the problem says is there is a table, and in table we have X column that shows depth in feet and the Y column pressure. So as you go deeper in water, the pressure is increasing. Now I'll read the problem statement. The chart above shows the pressure as function of the depth of the depth for every 15 feet of descent into the ocean. If the pressure increases at a constant rate for every foot of descent, which of the following graphs describes the given data? Okay, so the pressure is increasing at a constant rate. That means slope is positive. So let us show the graphs and why we can discard certain graphs. Because the slope is positive, graph which looks like this is a negative slope. Positive slope is something that looks like this. So this graph A is cannot be the answer. Graph B, which is like this, cannot be the answer. C, D and E remain. Now C has a graph which passes through origin. That means when the depth is 0, pressure is 0, but the table says that when depth is 0, the pressure is 14.7. so this graph is gone. So when the depth is 0, pressure is this gives us clue which one out of D and E will be the answer. So D is like this and E is like this. Certainly here X is not 0. X is 0 if you extend this somewhere here, when the pressure will be negative. However, in this graph, so this cannot be the answer. Here X is 0 and the pressure is positive 14.7. the graph has positive slope and it is linearly increasing with depth, where depth is here. I am not showing this because you already have the book with you to see what the graph looks like. So the answer is going to be D.